So when you go back with this glove box, and I'm going to go ahead and show this, you're going to have that glove box hanging way down, okay? And then you click on each side. You click this side in, and then you click that side in, okay? And it's going to be hanging way down like this. And you make sure that that arm is available so that when you come up like this, you can line that arm up easily. Okay, you can line that arm up and click it into its spot. Let me see if I can get my hand around here. You just don't pull it out of the cylinder. You just line it up in its spot best you can there. There we go. Click it in. And then the two top pieces are gonna bump in like that, and you're done. That's it. You'll spend more time messing with all this junk in here. I should have just taken all that junk out, but anyway. And then you just close it like normal, so everything is fine. You might check these to make sure that they're clicked in, the little hinges. But once you push them in and they click, it works out fine. So I hope this helps somebody.